Got a gas buzz yet?
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah. Oh my god. The solvent's not quite as aggressive as the gas. I gotta have the door open a little bit.
Might need to open the other one, turn the fan on a little bit.
Yeah. Just give her a little, how you doing? Just a quick one. Not too bad. Yes.
Uh-oh, security.
What happened?
Door wasn't locked. Security.
Well, part of the problem with the new microphonics is remembering to turn them on. Key feature they have, but you can set. We both have our microphones, but you know, of course, they're not on. But we already had this tank in, and what I'm doing now is just readjusting the boltopini that holds it on there in accordance to. There's two holes, and of course we didn't have it in the right hole, so here we go again. But you'll see when we lift it up, it's so close to the bidet. Well, I'm kind of in the road of it, but in a minute, in a quick sec, you'll sant. I'll get this bolt in here quick, and then we'll sant this how close the sub chassis is to the fuselage there, and then yeah, that's why I didn't just put it on all in the beforance, because like right where the gas tank is where we had it lifted with the what's it. So yeah, just a little FYI there for you in accordance. But yeah, so there's only like an inch, so even if we lifted it off of the cab corner, it would still be dicked. Everett's gas tank's in, boys. Frig yeah. Oh, dick. Well, that's her. We got the fuel lines are all hooked up now. Got the vent coming down in and amongst and around there. Cleaned up a little spot. Where is it? Cleaned a little spot of peony on the frame to accept the ground right there. Be awesome. And started to put the dash back together a little bit. Just trying to make sure that I can, you know, I already got to take the steering column out because I got wires to plug in on the top. I forgot. So I gotta loosen, you know, 4 bolts back off and get her on the tilt-a-peony, and then you know, plug the harness in, and then I'll put her back in. Not a big deal, but upgraded friggin' shaft. Told you probably 17 times now, but 98, 96, 98, something like that. Jeep Cherokee steering shaft. It's like $80 on Amazon's, and yeah, direct bolt-in replacement. Decent peony, got, you know, some wiring to do. Have to get a bunch of grounds going here too. Want to really ground the engine to the frame, and the frame to the sub chassis, the fuselage, if you will. But throttle's hooked up. Freaking brake line's hooked up. Power steering's hooked up. Steering's hooked up. Oh yeah, I need a little piece of line for right hither from the Arskell to the what's it, and then we need to come up with a line from the clutch pedal down to the from the master McSiggert to the slave McSiggert. Hook up my kill cable there too. Get that hooked up here. And then that's pretty well done on this side. We've got to hook up our heater core, plug one of these openings. It's got like an elbow or a Y there. Get rid of that. Just have one antler going out there, one antler going out there. Be awesome. Friggin' exhaust wrap, Fort Witt. It's pretty close to the cab. Thought, you know, we'll do ourselves a little how you doing. Still gonna get shocks too. Fuck.
What happened?
Oh, just reminiscing of times gone by. Building trucks with crawdad and stuff. It's pretty awesome. Glove box and couple Trimbolini pieces and stuff ready to go in there. Shifter boot, you know. Oh yeah, transmission. We had a wicked gas buzz for like 2 or 3 days now. So you can't use brake clean anymore, so you got to use gasoline. And that is significantly more toxic. I don't know about toxic, but the buzz is not good. Definitely not good. Having trouble finding my main shaft today. Look at this. The most impossible to find freaking shaft on earth. Just chowdered. Can't be freaking, can't. Need new. One place has new one in America, but not Canawords, and they won't let me order it, so I'm getting a little bit mad. Spent too many times today already on the phone and emailing and sending Dick's messages and stuff. No good. But yeah, quit. Crawdad quit. It's every other weekend. He's sick on Friday. Eh? Doesn't feel good every other Friday. Got to go home early. Look at him just hammering it. What do those do?
Those rock back and forth. I think they're called rockers.
Nice. Those are the rocker arms?
Yeah.
Sweet. Decent.
Mechanic Dan.
Yeah. Transmission spooshless Dan.
It's like sanding Dan.
Yeah. Body man Dan. Oh, look at all the screws too. We got to figure out where all them ones came from, and like, oh my god, like it didn't seem that bad when you're taking them out, but now when you're trying to put them back in,
I think these ones all right here are for the roof.
yeah, we don't want to lose even a single one of these because they are irreplaceable. We'll have to go find somebody's square body parking lot somewhere and have one of their roof screws if we end up losing any. You know what I mean?
Hopefully, it's a black one.
Right. Well, we can spray paint it. But it's kind of a sad state of affairs when you got all these holes all along your roof there. I thought about just weld them shut and, you know, calling her a cigarette, but I don't know. I also thought about just putting the trims back on. Oh, probably look pretty badass. So you sick today? For every other Friday sick?
Yeah.
Oh,
I can't help it. Gas fumes.
yeah, gas fumes make him sick every other Friday, seems like. But so let me know what you think about the progress so far, boys. You know, probably no good, and you would have done it way better. But you know, at least I'm trying. Probably. At least the goofs aren't telling me the truck's not worth fixing anymore. At least they stopped saying that because that was really hurt my feelings.
It was cheaper for them to just pay out the money than pay somebody to fix it. Then we could have had our truck back, but they just paid us. Okay, well, I'd rather have the truck. Okay, well, minus a little bit and you keep the truck. Well, what about getting it fixed? We give you money. Quit.
Yeah.
Okay, I see how it works.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I could send you the bill, and then we could put Concrete Dan on the side of it and put her back to work. Hey? Send you the bill in the mail, probably.
No, Crawdad and Son.
Oh.
Like Sanford and Son, only Crawdad and Son.
Right. Fuck, we're not even there yet.
Close.
Oh, yeah. We just need to find the bolts.
Closer than we were 4 months ago.
Right. The slight modification needs to be done to the rad support, and then not too bad.
Expensive.
How many?
When it's on sale, that's $24.99 or something.
Holy.
I think well, they used to be, I think, $9 something for just a little guy like this. But you get many more these guys in here. So I wait till that goes on sale, and then I got one of these.
What do you spray 9 in all the time? I've never used spray 9 in my life. You're just like a spray 9 enthusiast?
Oh, it cleans up a lot of stuff.
We have
Way
what?
easy.
What's so dirty at your place?
Oh, everything.
Your muscle?
Oh, just works good on bathroom tile. And Mom makes me do that once in a while.
Oh no.
Can't help it.
For fuck's sakes. Oh, see, you go spray 9 in the bathroom for me?
No, it's not spray 9. Can you clean the tiles for me?
Oh. And that's just your weapon of choice.
I find it works best. So, when I find something that works good, I usually stick to it.
But yeah, as soon as we get our parts, look how that cleaned up. Holy, that's like a brand new input shaft there. Good Lord. Good Lord. Oh, dick, eh? Got the friggin' new Winder Fendelinis. I'm gonna have to cut this one a little bit or bash it in or something because of how the friggin' cooler pipe goes on. But found the alternator in the alternator bracket. I'm missing the friggin' bottom alternator bolts. We just got a temporary bolt in there for temporary. That's nice. I like that. What do you suppose happened there? But anyways, we'll figure all that out later. Got to get this friggin' what's it? Radiator support. Got it all per-washed up. So friggin' reach for that. Didn't turn out too bad. Of course, I'll give her a little spritz here and there, but don't want to get too carried away. It's just the friggin' radiator core. You know what I mean? But yeah, she's coming along. Found the friggin' gooseneck, so we'll be able to friggin' stab that on there. Put the diesel fuel in there. Come with diesel fuel. Oh, I still haven't put that bolt on there. Funny thing about that. But a lot going on. Pretty busy in Inwood. Not sure if you're aware of that, but yeah. Not sure how much concrete crawdad's going to be wanting to do in the next little bit. So who knows? Maybe we'll be able to convince him to do full-time Inwood if we can get enough friggin' likes and shares, stuff like that. You know what I mean? Anyways, okay, go. Like, subscribe, okay, go.